Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Today, I'm going to show you the 5 most essential plugins every WordPress user must install for design, speed, security, search engine optimization, and backups. These are most required plugins whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a portfolio. These plugins can save you hours of work, boost your traffic, secure your site, and even help you sleep better at night knowing your data is backed up. And stick with me till the end, because plugin number 5 is often overlooked. But once you activate it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Let's jump right in. First up, Wordfence Security. If you think your site is too small to be hacked, think again. Hackers don't discriminate. They use bots that scan thousands of sites looking for weaknesses. And if you don't have a security plugin, you're leaving the door wide open. Wordfence not only blocks malicious traffic in real time, but it also alerts you about suspicious logins, outdated plugins, and potential risks, all from your dashboard. Think of it as your website's personal bodyguard. Next, let's talk speed, because nobody likes a slow website. A fast site improves user experience, keeps visitors longer, and boosts your SEO rankings. That's where WP Rocket, or the free alternative W3 Total Cache, comes in. These caching plugins create static versions of your pages so they load insanely fast, even on shared hosting. Plus, they handle things like lazy loading, database optimization, and minifying files, all without you touching a single line of code. If you want that Google PageSpeed score to go up, this is the plugin for you. Now, what's the point of having an amazing site if no one finds it? Enter Rank Math SEO, your ultimate weapon to climb up those search engine rankings. It helps you optimize every post and page with real-time suggestions, XML sitemaps, schema markup, redirection management, and even AI-powered content insights. And the best part? It's surprisingly lightweight and user-friendly, even if you've never touched SEO before. If content is king, then Rank Math is your strategist. Next up is something most people don't think about until it's too late. Backups. Imagine your site crashes, gets hacked, or breaks after an update. What do? You restore it, if you had a backup. UpdraftPlus makes backups easy and automatic. You can store them on Google Drive, Dropbox, or even email. And restoring a backup? Just one click. Trust me, this plugin is like insurance for your website. You don't want to be without it. And finally, the one plugin that gives you creative control without writing code, Elementor. Drag-and-drop design, pre-built templates, full responsiveness, and complete freedom over how your pages look. Whether you're building a landing page, contact form, or an entire homepage from scratch, Elementor makes it so easy it's almost fun. And here's the kicker. You can design pages that look better than most premium themes, even with the free version. This plugin alone can elevate the quality of your site overnight. Now, quick bonus tip, you might be wondering, should I just install all 5 right away? Great question. The answer is yes, but with a strategy, because plugins are powerful, but using them wisely is the key. In my next video, I'll show you how to choose the right plugins without slowing down your site, and some plugin combinations to avoid. So if you're serious about making your WordPress site faster, safer, and more successful, don't miss it. And there you have it, the 5 essential plugins every WordPress user should have. Wordfence for security. WP Rocket for speed. Rank Math for SEO. UpdraftPlus for backups. Elementor for easy page building. Which one of these are you using right now? Let me know in the comments. I read every one of them. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the next WordPress tip, tool, or tutorial.